Let's go some Maxi nerdle. We get 24 divided by 6 plus 3 times 1 equals 7. There we go. All right. Equals a single digit number. We got division. Probably going to have subtraction. 12 is divisible by 6. I could put that somewhere. Like, this isn't enough characters, I don't think. But 7 minus 12 divided by 6 is 5. Minus 5 equals 0. Get some new numbers in there. Tries a bunch of the ones that we have. There's no subtraction. So just division is interesting. Why do I feel like this is going to be like a weird fractional thing? Somehow I didn't place any of the numbers. Like I'm thinking there's probably going to be parentheses around this and then like maybe an exponent here. Like if I divide by 1/2, I'm actually multiplying by 2. If I did 1, well, it's not going to work with the 6 and the 7. I was interested in doing something like this and then squaring this. I'm just going to cube this and make this 8. I don't know. I just want to test some stuff. I got parentheses involved. I'm seeing if there are 2 division signs. I must place either the 1 or the 2, right? There's no parentheses. There's a cubed. Wow, that was not what... And it equals 8. That was really not what I expected. How am I getting to 8 with just division and a 7 and a 6? Wait, what is going on? And there's a cubed here. I have to... And this has to be a double-digit number at this point, right? I'm cubing a double-digit number? This looks heinous. I think the smallest number this could possibly be here is 11, and there aren't 2 1s, so it's not. This doesn't even have a 1, and it doesn't start with 2. What's that? Wait. What? Am I dividing a 4-digit number by a double-digit number cubed? Is that what's happening right now? And this number has to start with at least 6. Wait, cubing a double-digit number. If you cube 10, that's 1,000. If you cube 60, that's more than a 4-digit number, isn't it? It's got to be a 5-digit number. 60 times 60 times 60. 60 times 60 is already 3,600. Yeah, so this isn't going to work. So there's something... What's happening here? There isn't a second 1. How are there no more signs? What's going on? I'm very, very confused by this. How can I be cubing... There's no way I'm cubing a double-digit number here, so... I'm missing something, I think. I don't know. What's 12 cubed? 144 times 12. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that in my head. Maybe I can, actually. 144 times 12. So, 1440 plus 288. 1,728. 1,728. 1,728 divided by 12 cubed. This doesn't even fit, but it actually uses kind of a lot of the numbers I have here, so I'm just going to put this in. This just would equal 1. Oh, well, I'm going to square this, aren't I? That's what we're doing? That's the only way that I can make this work. Wow. Okay. I mean, like, just by forcing the numbers, I'm so lucky this was 172. Like, that's just wildly lucky. All right. So this is 8. I'm absolutely squaring this. 172, at least squaring it. It might even be cubed. 172 squared. What's 172? What are the factors of 172? So 180, does 8 go into 180? No, it doesn't. I don't think. 172. It's not divisible by 3. It must be divisible by 7, right? Because I got to get a 7 in here. Oh man, this is weird. This is so strange. This number can't be a 1, 2, or a 6. This number has to be a 7, which means the 6 has to go... Oh, no, wait. I haven't used 9 yet either. So this actually could be an 8 or a 7, 8, or 9, but it can't be 1, 2, or 6. I'm going to try to do this without a calculator because I don't think I've ever used a calculator on this game, but we're getting into some territory that's really difficult. 172 is such a weird number. It looks like it should be a normal number because 72 is 8 times 9, which has a ton of factors. But 172 is a totally different ballgame. And 172 squared is gross. 172. So obviously it's divisible by 2. It's divisible by 4. But I don't think it's divisible by 8 because 180 is not divisible by 8. 4, 180. So 50 times 4 is 200 minus 28. So is it 43? 43 times 4? Ugh. That's foul. That's a prime number, which means that this is going to have to be divisible by 43, I would think. Or maybe not divisible. Yeah, divisible. Is it just going to be... What? 43 times 2 is 86. I mean, I kind of feel like this must just be 86. Does this work? I feel like it doesn't, but I feel like it can't possibly work. I'm just gonna. Yeah, it's not. That's not divisible. Okay. There's no way. So this is 43 times 4. Right? That's what I just came up with? Yeah, that's correct. 43 times 4 is what 172 is. So if I square that, that's 43 squared times 4 squared. 86 is 43 times 2. Yeah, so I'm dividing by 43 too many times. Cubing something is wild. How do I fit something in here? I don't understand. I don't even remotely understand what's going on. Oh, I just cubed this. I must have to cube this then. Yeah, 172 divided by 86 is 2. So if I cube it, then it's 8. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that math wasn't even that bad. This is just like fractional stuff. Okay. I didn't have to cube this stuff and like try to figure all that out. I just had to know that 172 divided by 86 is 2, and then if you cube that, that's going to be 8. Really hard, Max. That was a crazy Maxi nerdle, dude. We got there, though. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.